I put this zip file on here for the 4th and 5th grade teachers because the 3rd grade teachers have all of these study sheets and the dash sheets and check sheets. They have all of them in their book, but you don't. Okay, is anybody else getting their zip files open? In 3rd grade? It's all through the first 2 units, and it's all through the student books.
Okay.
So you'll find all of that.
Oh, here's what's going on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
each time you open the zip, it gives you a different routine, and then you go into the routine.
No, it shouldn't.
No, yeah. See, watch. Ready, watch. See, it says 6. There's 7. Now, let me go back up here to 2.
Yeah,
Then it gives it to us.
Let's just make it a copy of it.
Yeah, that's all it's doing.
Yeah.
So that zip file, what I did for 4th and 5th grade teachers, now you have all the check sheets, all the dash sheets, and all the study sheets.
Okay.
And you have there, you can print them out from there. It's a lot easier than trying to find them. So your other 4th and 5th grade teachers are going to need that file, that zip file. So they don't have to go hunt for it. Yeah. So they don't have to go hunt for it. Okay? Okay, that's your 3rd grade. This is your life for like a good couple months, is using this routine. 4th and 5th grade, I would use it till your kids get really good at their multiplication facts. But like I said, I would also work in other things. So, you know, I told you about my proto page. The last blue section on my proto page says Basic Fact Fluency. If you click on that, this is my 3-day session. These are just all the links. If you go all the way down into phase 2, here's all kinds of activities for phase 2, that strategy. And there's all kinds of card games. These are 4 really good links to use games as part of fact fluency. So for 3rd, 4th, and 5th, I would use this to build my fact fluency, and I would use these games. It's just cards and dice, and have them play that. You can also use your IXL, anything that you want to just practice with. Okay. So that one's on my proto page. It's the last blue tab, says Basic Fact Fluency. There's a ton of things on here, resources for Basic Fact Fluency. So just so you can see where it's at. So I know somebody had something about Basic Fact Fluency. Did we answer all questions on that and what you would use? 3rd grade teachers, do you feel comfortable with this? Because it's this is your first getting ready to teach section. We'll set this up. And if you haven't seen it done and understand how all the pages work together, then it's a little difficult to go through and understand. Sometimes, like the old edition, I had to read like 10 lessons in before I even understood how to do it. So it kind of pieces you into it, steps you into it. So we're good there? I'm not going to show you the video. You have a video on your file of a 3rd grade classroom doing the routine, but you did it, and so I'm not going to.
How important is the whiteboard?
Whiteboard things. Good question, because we talked about this earlier. Your math expressions person said these were consumable.
Mm-hmm.
They are not.
That makes sense.
They are like 2 something apiece.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what I say about the whiteboards. If you're using the number path in your lesson, use the whiteboard. If you're using the dots on the back, use this board. Other than that, use a regular whiteboard and don't use these. Okay? Treat these as not consumable and try to get them to last as long as possible. What my other districts do, or what my districts do, is send this to the print shop and they have them printed on cardstock and double laminated, and they